So I wanted to do a tutorial about how I get my hair ready for bed. I actually do it at night so I can wear a silk stocking and save myself some time in the morning. So I put my products in, I use a boar bristle brush, and I really comb it in, shake it through. Then I use my blow dryer, and I don't actually flip my head upside down for volume, because when you flip your head upside down, that's only giving you a 90-degree over direction. So when you're blow drying it and you see here what I'm doing is going the opposite direction, the hair lays, that's giving it 180-degree direction, which is actually giving it more volume than 90 degrees. So I use a square brush so that way I can flat wrap it to my head using my head to kind of smooth out that curl at my new growth. And then I can go right in and round brush with the same brush. And I'm not the best round brusher, so this is just me trying to smooth out the frizz in my hair just a little bit. So that way when I put my curls in, my ends, which I do like to be a little straighter, are actually smooth. So I don't press too hard, and then I can't do the back of my head well, so I go forward with it and get my root, and it actually makes life a lot easier. Then I go back in, making sure that it's completely dry. When I know there's no more moisture in it, I hit it with cool shot, and then I blow dry it with the cool until my hair is completely room temperature and 100% dry. And I lost a tinsel. This is a bad day for me. So just brushing, making sure that there's no tangles. And I use a key protectant. I sprayed that in and brushed that through. Now I'm going to go back farther because I want to make sure that I have a lot of hair in each section. So I don't want to just take that fringe in the front, because that's how people get burned pieces. They grab too small of a section. And then I kind of just grab hair kind of on a triangles, top to bottom, upside down and upright, going all the way back, and using my Marcel iron as a wand. It gives me better stability with my hands, just because that's what I'm used to using because I'm a hairdresser. A wand would do just fine. This is a 1 1/4 inch iron. And on the other side, I kind of follow the same pattern going back. And I just meet up to each other. And that's how I finish the look. I did a lot of dancing in this video because I'm listening to my favorite album right now, some Sturgill Simpson, Sound of Fury. And then I just go through the top layer, just give myself a little more volume. I like to run my fingers through it with a little oil on my hands because I have frizzy hair. And that's it. Hope you like it.